I'm sure you've seen stunning pictures of the sun, but have you ever imagined what it's like up close? Let's dive into the silence of space, right at the heart of our solar system. The sun sings a silent symphony. Waves and vibrations ripple across its surface, each flare a note in a cosmic melody. But out here, in the vast emptiness of space, there's only silence. No sound can travel, only the hypnotic dance of light and shadow, energy roaring in total quiet. In the sun's silence, we witness pure cosmic power, beautiful, mysterious, and utterly still. Subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts.